It is Monday. Good morning, everyone. You're probably feeling a little bit sore after the big day out.
Yes.
But we're here to help you through, keep you pepped up for the week.
That's it. If you're going to work and you're just feeling not too well, we hope we can bring you back up.
Yep, just make you feel that little bit better.
That's our plan, Jeffrey. That is our plan. Hey, Tiffany!
Tiffany! What happened there? We've been replacing words. What happened if you think... if you're wondering what just happened...
Yeah.
Something fell over, and what we've done, we've replaced a curse word with another word.
Yeah, which happened to be our sister's name.
Yeah.
For some reason, right, this is what happens. I guess we better explain it to you, because when me and Jeff, apparently, if we do something, right, that is destructive, knocking over glasses, breaking things, have this, I don't know where it comes from, Jeff.
I don't know.
Within, and suddenly we say the word Tiffany.
Someone to blame? Maybe just to replace the curse word, just to make it that little less offensive.
That's it. It's to stop people from getting hurt.
It is. It's just...
Apart from Tiff.
Yeah, which you might feel a little bit hurt.
I mean, often what happened, Gaff, when we were younger...
Yeah.
If we got in trouble, it'd be the first thing we would say is Tiffany. Blame the Tiff.
Blame the Tiff. She get in trouble by the parents.
It's not us twins.
Nah.
We wouldn't do anything like that, Mum.
We're sweet little innocent twins.
Look at Tiffany. Tiffany! She's so dirty. She always was. Always in the mud.
Crackles and Gafa.
Now, Jeff, we're in our 20s.
We are, yep.
It's been a long time.
Yep.
And
We've
now
lived.
it's turned into a curse word.
It's turned into it's been around for a while.
Yeah.
The Tiffany.
Mm-hmm.
And now it might even be in Google. If you Google it, it might be in there.
Probably is.
Yeah,
there
could
is
be.
probably Tiffany.
Curse word, dictionary meaning, bad.
I mean, Tiff, sorry about the name and everything, but hey, it's just part of the nature. Nature brings on curse words.
That's right.
We don't know where the other ones came from. We can't say half the ones that I want to say, but they came from somewhere.
Exactly.
Who made them up, Jeff?
Well, Mum and Dad made them up.
What do you mean?
I thought you were talking about the curse words. I was talking about Tiffany's name.
Oh, no. But we're wondering, right, there's heaps out there.
There must be replacements. Other words
Yeah.
that replace curse words.
The real curse words. The ones that will get you in trouble, get you in strife.
Yep.
You'll get a slap in the face from anyone around you. We want to know, what are these new curse words you've come up with? They can't be rude, as in directly,
Yep.
but as long as you can say them and they're fun and friendly, PG.
PG, Tiffany.
Give us a call on 9227 5953. We want to hear your made-up swear words. Check this out. You and me at 6. The Consequence on Crackles and Gafa.
Crackles and Gafa.
On the line joins us is Anne-Marie. How you going, Anne?
Hello, good.
We're wondering, me and Gaff were just talking swear words, made-up new swear words. What have you got, Anne?
Well, I try not to get angry, so I don't really use them that much.
Aww.
Because I just laugh at everything. But I do the same thing. I've got a go-to my brother word. I just blame him for everything. As soon as anyone says where's the whatever, I just say Brad. And even around other people, they have no idea what I'm talking about.
Can you give us an example when you'd use it?
If I was at his house or something and Mum said, who ate all of the biscuits or something, I go, Brad.
Brad did.
You know what I mean? Yeah,
Brad did it.
Brad.
Braddy hell.
If you guys remember Battlestar Galactica, remember they used to say frack all the time?
Yeah.
That's also a good one. Otherwise things like plops and stuff like that also work.
Plops. Did you say?
Plops. It's hard to be angry when you use stupid words.
It's true.
So does Brad get angry when you say his name around people? Brad!
Same thing, he goes,
Well, I think we should get Tiffany, because we yell that name. That's our sister's name.
Yeah.
We yell Tiffany. You yell Brad.
Yeah.
We should combine them.
Yes.
Start getting these swear words out there amongst the people.
Yep.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
It's
I get it on Google.
Yeah.
Less offensive.
If it's on Google, it's happening.
Exactly.
It means it exists.
Exactly.
Yeah.
95.3.